Welcome you all to this add-on course video. So this is the second video of an add-on course of module 3 PowerPoint presentation. Welcome you all for that once again. And in today's session we are going to discuss a few terminologies which are very much important. So before we start up with practical classes in online, we need to understand some of the terminologies before we start up that. So in that, the first terminology which I want to explain today to you all is the slide area. What is the slide area? So now in the PPT which I'm showing you today, in that itself, whatever has been written as the slide area where the magic happens, that is all the place which is called as a slide area. That place is actually called as the slide area. So yes, of course, right, there the magic happens, of course, because the slide area is the heart of any PowerPoint presentation where you bring your ideas to life through visuals and content. It's a canvas where you can captivate your audience and convey your message effectively. So in that particular area itself, you have to bring your ideas to life through visuals and content. It can be of text, it can be of video, it can be of audio visuals, or it can be of image, it can be of any content that you can bring up. So where the magic happens. So whatever you have to convey, that will be conveyed through in those particular area itself. And it can also captivate your audience, of course, and also it convey your message effectively. So that particular area, through that particular area, you are actually trying to convey what you're actually figured it out, what you're actually the plan is all about, or the project is about, the proposal is about, so that you deliver the message to them effectively so that it reaches the people. So this is actually called as the slide area. Next, unlocking the potential of the slide area. So what are the very much important points? The first one is customization. Next is multimedia integration, storytelling. So the first one is customization. The slide area allows you to customize the layout, design and formatting to suit your presentation needs. So this particular area first is customize to choose the layout, which layout you need and which design you need into. See, the colors can be changed, and also see here I can change. See, these are called as the above ones which I'm showing. These are called as the designs. So which all designs you want, you can choose that, and based on that the presentation goes on. Okay, and also formatting to suit your presentation needs. So it depends, right? Each presentations requires each topics deals with different designs. So which designs you need? If I'm going to talk about the team working, then I can take this. If I'm going to talk about the greenery, if I'm going to do the any celestial bodies, then I can choose the first one. So it depends. Based on my topic, I select the I also select the designs. Okay, that is a requirement of a presentation. Next is multimedia integration. You can seamlessly incorporate images, videos and other multimedia elements to enhance the visual appeal and impact of your slides. You know, if for example the main intention to create a PPT is to deliver the information to the people. So when you deliver the information to the people, it has to be reachable to them. Then there is expectations of an outcome. Yes or no, there should be an impact of your slides. So when you need to see the impact in the slides, then obviously you have to be you have to integrate enormous multimedia over here. That is, one is images, then is the audio, then integrate audio integrations, video integration, animation integrations, and pictographs integrations. So these all integrations can be done in order to deliver the content to the people effectively, so that it reach and it brings an impact through your slides. Then is storytelling. The slide area is where you can craft a compelling narrative using text, graphics and animations to guide your audience through your presentation. So see here, this slide area which also make you a narrative. So if you want to deliver a new topic, then you can narrate it and you can type, and using text. That's what, as I was telling you before, that is using text, graphics and animations, so that it actually guide your audiences through your PPT, so that it reach and it also brings impact. And the power of the thumbnail. What are the power of the thumbnail? So first of all, what do you mean by thumbnail? So as of now, we've learned about the slide area. Next, we are going to talk about the thumbnail. So can you all see my cursors? I hope cursor is visible. So this area, see here, 1 2 3 4 5, this all data are available on my left side, right? You know, this is called as thumbnail. For example, a quick slide, I need to select it, so I'll browse it here like this, and I would see this ninth slide, so I'll just click on to ninth sales. And if at all, if I don't know which slide I'm supposed to I'm okay, for example, I'm supposed to explain the slide which is related to my first slide, but you know, in order to go and search each slide, so I can browse on the left side, so that you know, maybe the first slide was related to this third slide itself, and based on the images I can click on to this. Oh, this was a slide which I wanted to explain along with the first slide, so I'll click on to this. So this thumbnail, it's a quick findings of my slides which is required. So these are called as a thumbnails. Okay, the power of the thumbnail, what are the power? Quick navigation. As I was telling you, there's a quick navigation. Thumbnails allow you to easily navigate through your presentation, quickly access specific slides. So if you're the specific slides, you can get into it. You're expecting the fourth slide, sixth slide, you may be related to your first slide. So whatever the expectations, whatever the requirements are there, you can do it a quick navigations through the help of the thumbnail. If not, we have to search like this. Oh, this is not okay, I have to come back because I didn't know exactly which was the one. Then I'll go back, come back, then by the time audiences will get and also they'll get restless, and they'll feel that you know, presentation is boring and time consuming. If not, if we do all this thumbnail, if you use this thumbnail, no, it is really great for us to get into it. Next, organization. Thumbnails provide a visual overview of your slides, helping you organize and structure your presentation effectively. Yes, of course, that makes sense, people, that you have prepared your presentations, it will organize the structures. So it's very important. Presentation flow. Thumbnails help you maintain the flow and coherence of your presentation by allowing you to rearrange and manage your slides easily. For example, now you feel that the third slides are supposed to come in a 6-second slides. Then you can change the slides. See that it can be changed if you want. See, the first slide, the second slide, it is like about the thumbnail. The third slide, it is a slide area thumbnail, because according to your changes, you can be doing it according to your needs. You can do it. So it's right. So as I was saying, it has been changed. Now I want that is to be changed again to the third slide, which we were discussing. We're discussing about this presentations, so it can be rearranged and manage your slides easily. So it can be rearranged. So if I feel that sixth slide is important, then I can just change to second slide. I mean, I can rearrange it to second slide and third slide. And for example, if I need to add, I can actually take up the very fresh page and see here, this is video. If I want to show any videos, right now videos are not there. If you want to show the videos, then I can go into it actually. Okay, so now the fourth slide is all about the audience's best friend is the thumbnail. Why I do say it's because audience's engagement are there. First one is thumbnails will keep your audiences engaged by providing a visual reference and allowing them to follow the flow of your presentation. It allows you, so people also can actually get into it. Okay, this is the last slide, this is the first slide, this is the second slide. It also keeps them in the flow, right? People also get influenced with that, and also it's a visual reference that still so many documents are there, so many slides are there, so I should be interesting. So whether I need to take a break, all those things I can be audience engagements are there within that. This presenter control. Thumbnails gives presenters the ability to control the pace and direction of the presentation, ensuring a smooth and professional delivery. So thumbnails will also give the presenters the ability to control the pace and direction of the presentations. So this I will be controlled with the presentations. Okay. Next, collaborative learning. And also before I go with that, so that actually when I be controlled with the direction of the presentation, so for sure there will be the expectations are that will go with a smooth and professional delivery. Collaborative learning. Thumbnails facilitate collaborative learning by allowing audiences members to easily flow along to provide feedback or comments. So thumbnails will allow collaborative learning. What is this collaborative learning is all about? So it allows audiences also to easily flow along and provide feedback or comments based on that. So for example, if your video if your PPT is boring, and if it's a prolonged or extends until 20 slides or more there, when you get through the slides, 9 out of 4, when it is, we get to know this, what does it mean? It has it actually the audiences can be in the loop, and also they can actually share their ideas, and of course, and also they can tell that it's one of the feedback to the presenter also, and it is also easiest for the audiences to comment based on that. Slides are very less, and more slides because you're a very interesting person, you can say. And if it is boring, you can say that, can we go with the next slides, or can we actually move with the next video, next slides, next ppts, anything you can. The comments also can be shared. It's very much important. So the audience is the audience best friend. Next, the PowerPoint ribbon. What is the PowerPoint ribbon? I hope the above one you can see, like from current slide, new slide layout. So I also can extend the thing if it's possible. I'll try it. No, I couldn't make it out. So this right above this we have home page, insert page, design page, transitions, animation, slideshow, review, view, tools, options. So these are called as the command center. Through this I can actually change all my text. Through this I can change the entire ppts. I can design it. I can make sure that many tools have been used over there. So one among us is home page. What this home page will do it. So see, so actually I click to home page. This is all available in the home page. Format, painter, paste option from current slide. You can actually operate in your ppts from current slide or new slide. Layout you can choose. See, these are the by default it's not available. Layout will be available. Reset options, section options, and you see your it's not perfectly available. Bold, if it is italic, underline, then if it's strike out, then if it is a shadow one, then if it is superscript, and if it has to be font color has to be changed, and and also if anything has to be highlighted, if your font size should be increased, decreased, it can be done over here. And also smaller cases, lower cases, erasers, and these are the center, the text, how it can be aligned. All these informations will be given over here. And also see your shapes, text boxes, pictures, arrange, find, select options, student tools. So these are called as home page. It access to essential formatting and editing tools such as font styling, paragraphs alignment, and more. So these are all actually home page. Next, insert page. In insert page, new slide you can see. If you want new slides, duplicate slide, import from outline, reuse slides. You can also table. If you want your slides to have table, then you can insert table. If you want draw table, you can draw table. Pictures, see from file. If you want to download it and save it in that particular slides, then you can do it. Screenshots, for example, if you want to see screenshots of it, you can take it out the screenshots. Next is shapes. If you want to write it, flow charts, if you feel that you want flow charts or equation shapes, block arrows, basic shapes, rectangles, lines, you can all use to it. And icon library, so see, this is the icon library. Any charts, pictures, font you want it, you can do it. And also chart library, chart, text box, word art, audio, video, symbol, equation, late, comment, header and footer, object, file, object. These are all available in the insert page. And also design. The design tab offers tools to customize the overall look and feel of your presentation, including themes and slide layouts. The design offers tools to customize the overall look and feel of your presentations. The design will make overall presentations. Here designs, so these are the designs. A color scheme, which your color is exactly that you wanted, and background of your presentations, which color you wanted. It can be changed to any of the color. The side input templates, involved templates, if you want any template switching, that you can be doing it here. And any slides should be shown. It can be with a standard screen or wide screen. It's up to you that you customize the size. Presentation tool will be there. Replace fonts, batch fonts, settings, custom text formatting, set picture to multiple slides. So this is all you can use it in the designer, which ultimately it's very important because it's overall look. It's customize your overall look and feel of your presentations. Okay, this is one of the best tool that which you actually use it in a command center. Mastering the PowerPoint ribbon. Contextual tabs, keyboard shortcuts, quick access toolbar. First one is these tabs appear when you select specific elements such as charts or images, providing tailored tools for those elements. Your slides required with the tables, graphs, and all. Then you have to. It's a contextual tabs. It's very much important, and which is actually providing tools for those elements. Quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar allows you to customize and access your most frequently used command for workflow. So this is called as a commands. This is all the commands which is much important for your business, because it allows customize access your most frequently used commands for the faster workflow. you are actually work. For example, if you have to change it to any of the colors, then instead of going and working behind it, you can actually use it in the page itself. Actually, it is very quick access toolbar. And also that if you want to select any of the charts, any of the audio video, that you can do it no quick access toolbar instead of going and checking the video audio in the YouTube. And it's really a hectic task which you can do it here. It's a keyboard shortcuts. Mastering keyboard shortcuts can greatly improve your efficiency and speed up your PowerPoint presentation creation process. So the keyboard shortcuts are very much important because the shortcuts, and actually also that also can help us to make a presentations very quicker. Unlocking the power of the PowerPoint ribbon. Formatting and editing. The PowerPoint ribbon provides a wealth of tools for formatting text, shape, other slides, elements to create a polished and visually appealing presentation. Formatting and editing. See, first one is formatting and editing. It actually, the PowerPoint will help us to this PowerPoint ribbon help us to format and edit all the text and shapes, and also it completely polish our visual presentation. Also multimedia integration, as we're discussing in all the slides, multimedia integrations will be there, because when you're looking into the about thing in the PowerPoint ribbon, so you can see there the chart icon library, chart library, screenshot, pictures. That's all multimedia, and audio, video. This is all multimedia integrations. Presentation control. So the ribbon offers tools for managing and controlling a presentation, including slide transitions, animation, presenter view options. So this all actually control the presenter, and also it also insists a presenter to use all those things, and which actually very good, and also it helps presentations more interesting. The last one which we are going to discuss, because in today's class we are discussed about the slide area and about the thumbnail, which is on the left side, and the PowerPoint ribbon which is above, and we are going to learn about the status bar which is at the down state. Okay, yes. So what is status bar? So I hope the cursor goes your slide 8 out of 9, font missing, you can see there, and your this is the add auto backup, and this is scan to mobile. This is called the notes. If you want notes, you can jot it down over here, and comment if you want to give, you can give. If it's normal, it can be normal, slide shorter, and reading view, and slideshow from current shift if you want to do it. And also see here, if you want to make it into zoom, you can zoom it here, you can zoom it right or no. So it depends upon the requirement. And so these are all called as status bar. So status bar, of course, it is important, right, for us to do all those things, right or no. So first one is slide information. The status bar provides important information about the current slides, such as slide number and total slides. So see here, we could all see your slide 8 by 9, which says that out of 9 slides we are completed, says, which is one more pending. That is the intimation that we are giving to the audiences. It's very much important, right? Zoom control. So when we get that numbers, that will be also in a we will also make sure that time is up, and we will finish up the tasks very quickly. Zoom control. And also the status bar allows you to easily adjust the zoom level of your presentation, making it easier to view and edit your slides. So this is the zoom area, so where you can actually edit your slides, to what extent you have to extend, to what extent you have to make it into a small area. So zoom control. View options. The status bar gives you quick access to different view modes, such as normal slides, should be shorter, or reading view. So view options also, how you want it. It should be normal slides, or it can be in a slide sorter, and it should be in a reading view. This is called as slideshow. This is called as reading view. Got it? Yes. You want to current slides. So this is a normal slide, sorter, and reading view. So these are the importance of these are the availability in status bar. Your presentation dashboards. These are the dashboards. Okay. Next, maximize the status bar's potential. Slide number. Quickly reference the current slide and the total number of the slides in your presentation. Zoom controls. Adjust the zoom level to suit your needs, from a detailed view to a high level overview. View modes. Switch between different presentation views, such as normal, slide sorter, and reading. Presentation tools. access various presentation tools like the Presenter View and the laser printer. So these are the following things we had learned today. So I hope it's clear to you some of the terminologies. The first terminologies was slide area, the second one was your thumbnail, third one was about your PowerPoint ribbon, the fourth point we had learned about a status bar with along with the dashboards. I hope it is all understandable. Thank you for your kind attention towards it.